You should expect the expected and nothing more. Cause you've all heard this song and dance before. Our moves are stale, our harmonies bland. Cause we're just another generic boy band.
Wow, they're pretty good.
I'd love to meet those guys someday.
I've got a bold confession, and I think it's time you know. I'm into you, specifically, girl, and no other girl will do.
He's talking about me! In the face!
Yo, 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 we're bringing it weak and we're bringing it lame. Whatever we can do to keep it all the same. We're focus tested and radio friendly.
The only thing that matters is that we stay trendy.
You're unique, you're complex and interesting, girl, and I'm not being hyperbolic. Let's carve our name into a tree. It's vandalism, but symbolic.
You should expect the expected and nothing more. Cause you've all heard this song and dance before. Our phony baloney image is bland. Cause we're just another generic boy band.
Won't you please be my special girl? We'll do the things you wanna do. Then take a trip to that place you like and be home before